Hello everyone, and welcome. Tired of trading all your time for money? Dreaming of earning while you sleep, travel, or pursue your passions? Then you're in the right place. In this video, we're diving into the hottest passive income ideas for 2025. These aren't get-rich-quick schemes, but real strategies that, with some effort up front, can generate income on autopilot. Let's get started. First up, digital products. Think online courses, ebooks, templates, or even stock photos. Create it once, sell it forever. The beauty here is scalability. You can reach a global audience without needing to constantly replenish inventory. Focus on a niche you're knowledgeable about. For example, if you're a whiz at social media marketing, create a course teaching businesses how to grow their following. Next, affiliate marketing. This involves promoting other companies' products or services and earning a commission on each sale made through your unique affiliate link. It's all about finding products you genuinely believe in and that resonate with your audience. Whether you have a blog, a YouTube channel, or a strong social media presence, affiliate marketing can be a powerful income stream. Investing is a classic passive income strategy. While it carries some risk, it's essential for long-term financial growth. Consider investing in dividend-paying stocks, real estate investment trusts, REITs, or even index funds. Remember, do your research or consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. The goal is to build a portfolio that generates consistent passive income over time. Real estate can be a fantastic source of passive income through rental properties. While it requires a significant initial investment, the ongoing rental income can be substantial. Beyond traditional rentals, explore options like Airbnb or even renting out storage space. Just remember to factor in property management costs and potential vacancy periods. Creating valuable content, whether it's on YouTube, a blog, or a podcast, can generate passive income through advertising, sponsorships, or affiliate marketing. This is a longer-term strategy, but the potential rewards are huge. Focus on creating content that people find helpful, entertaining, or informative. The more valuable your content, the more likely it is to attract an audience and generate passive income. So, there you have it, 5 passive income ideas to explore in 2025. Remember, building passive income takes time and effort. Don't expect overnight riches. Focus on 1 or 2 strategies that align with your skills and interests, and be consistent. Which idea resonated with you the most? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more valuable content on building financial freedom. Thanks for watching.